Let us look at the first example, the first question of exercise 7.1. The first question of exercise 7.1. This is the given figure. It is given in the question that AC is equal to AD, and here's the notation: AC is equal to AD, and AB bisects angle A, which means that AB actually bisects this angle CAD. AB bisects angle CAD. So what is the property of a bisector? A bisector divides an angle into two equal parts, right? And AB is the bisector. So AB divides angle CAD in two equal parts, and those two equal parts are angle CAB and angle BAD. So let us name those angles. AB bisects A. This means angle CAD, this angle angle CAB, angle CAB is equal to angle DAB. So you should look for weak points, you should look for loopholes in the questions which help you to prove the answer. And what are we going to prove here is that it has been asked to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Let us see how we'll prove that. Here is the proof. So it is given that AC is equal to AD. So first of all, write that condition: AC is equal to AD. And the reason is that you should always write the reason in brackets. Given, it's given. Okay. Now angle CAB is equal to angle DAB, and the reason is AB bisects angle A. That is also given in the question. And finally, what do we have now? What is the third element? Yes, AB. AB is a common side, which means that AB is equal to AB. Common side, right? So we have got three elements which are equal. One is AC is equal to AD, angle CAB is equal to angle DAB, right? And finally AB is equal to AB, because AB and AB both are same, right? Of course. And then in the reason you should write common side. So we have got three elements. A minimum of three elements are required to prove that two triangles are congruent, right? So you can write now triangle ABC as given in the question, as given in to prove. Triangle ABC is simply congruent to triangle ABD. And which property do you use here? You are using the side angle side property, because you are proving that these two sides are equal, and then you are proving that these two angles are equal, and finally you are proving that AB is common, which means that AB is equal to AB. So side, angle and side, right? So that is by SAS rule. And finally, it has been asked in the question, what can you say about BC and BD? Now look closely. BC and BD. It asks, what can you say about BC and BD? Of course, BC and BD are equal. BC is equal to BD, and the reason is that these two are congruent triangles. We have already proved. And the reason why BC is equal to BD is that they are the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. That's right. And that is the end of question 1.